Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm at the fantastic place. I'm at the Yorkdale Mall. I'll be showing you guys what the mall got. Also, I'm here with my friend from Montreal.
Hi. Hello guys. Today we at the Yorkdale Mall, Toronto. The place to be, guys. The place to be, guys. Subscribe, hit that button.
Yeah,
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
Also, we are looking for the food locker. Like, we are lost. We don't know where to go, but they got the kiosk. Let's go type the food locker and we see how it goes. This is the kiosk for the directions. Let them finish, then we go and see what they got, man.
Okay, come here, guys.
Yeah, so from here I have to search
We're going to food locker.
the food.
Here it is.
The food locker. Here it is, and this is the direction. See? I don't know if you can see it clearly, guys.
Yeah, so we have to.
Yeah, you have to go straight.
Yes.
I think so.
Take a right.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go this side and see what they got.
Okay. Fantastic place.
Yeah, this is a
All right.
fantastic place.
Yeah, fantastic place, man. How do you like it? How do you like the mall experience?
Yeah,
Hit that
let me
button,
know
hit
what
that
you
button.
think at the comment section.
Yes. Subscribe, hit that button. Leave something on the comment section.
Yeah.
Don't leave without saying something on the comment section.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let's go. Let's have a tour of the mall.
Yeah.
All right. What do we have?
Yeah.
Huh?
You can see there are a lot of people here.
People coming in, people going out.
Yeah.
Huh? We have a Mac store on the right.
Got everything here.
We have a Banana Republic.
See that one?
Yes.
It's called
Big
a Banana
I like the
Republic.
clothes.
The clothes are awesome. We are looking for the food locker.
A foot locker. So we just go straight.
Yeah. Let's go straight and see what we can see.
Wow, what a wonderful place. I like it. I love it.
Yeah, it's a lovely place.
I love it. Oh. We also have another big shoe store.
Yeah, this mall is the biggest one in Toronto.
Oh, yes. Look at that big shoe over
Yeah,
there.
you got a big shoe here.
Wow, nice.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I got a
Look at
big
the
shoe
shoe.
there.
Nice.
Hey,
This is what I'm talking about.
yeah.
This is what I'm talking about. A big shoe, Converse.
See here.
Oh, yes. Also, we have another, there's a spot check over there too.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yes,
Yes. Yeah,
the food locker.
food locker,
I was
let's go.
saying we go straight. Let's go and see what they got there.
Oh, yes.
The sport check.
Spot check, we have a spot check
Yeah.
for all your best sport shoes,
Yeah.
training shoes, whatever you want.
Yeah. Everything you want.
Anything you want in sports.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just go inside
Yes.
and do your thing.
And do your thing. Spot check. Hit that.
This
Hit
is-
that. Spot check.
The sport check.
Oh, nice.
See the beautiful. See? Beautiful thing. All the H&M.
H&M for your best clothes in town.
Yeah.
If you have your lady, want to do a shopping for your lady, that's the place to
Yeah,
be.
that's the place.
That's the place to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
They got a lot of kiosks
Yes,
here.
another kiosk. If you get lost again,
Yeah.
you find your way out. Oh, we have a big Japanese store.
It's a
for
Japanese
clothes.
store. I don't know the name, but you can.
It's written in Japanese. I don't know.
Hey, UniQLO. What's that?
QL. I don't know what that is.
Let me know what you think at the comment section.
Yeah.
Yeah, the visa.
We have these for your best jeans, t-shirts, and all that. Make sure you go to Diesel.
Fort.
I think that's for the ladies. I don't know that one, but I think it's for the ladies. I like it. Okay.
Where is it? The food locker. Where is it?
Good stuff. Almost there. Let's keep going. Let's keep going.
So we are at the right track. See, we are on the right track.
I think you're on the right track. That's another kiosk over there.
Beautiful place there. Let's see what they got. Or maybe I'll show you there's a Lucid. It's a beautiful car. So here.
Oh yeah, it's near the Samsung.
Yeah.
It's near the Samsung. All your phones, the latest in the market. You want your S24, S24 Ultra, everything here. All the iPhones, the 15s,
yeah,
everything.
Let's show you one phone. Just one phone. Just one phone. Yeah. Oh shit. Sorry. That's no issue.
That's an S24.
Yeah, S24. Let's check the price. Just there. See, for S24, $1,959.99. That's it for today. Let's go next. This is
S24 plus.
Yeah, it's the same. Yeah. Go out. Showing the beautiful car. So
this is an all-electric car. People, this is an all-electric car.
The electric
This is a
car.
competitor
See?
to the Tesla.
Yeah, you see? The Lucid. This is the competitor of the Tesla. Let me show you the price. Show you the price. See? There are everything. The Lucid Air. America's most awarded new luxury vehicle. See, that's the price.
Man, come and have a look inside the car. This is my car, man. This is the car.
Yeah. So you live in Saudi Arabia? Yes. Okay.
What they got.
Wow. Lucid.
Show you that. Another one here.
An all-electric car.
As the competitor of the Tesla guy. See what they got here. See, experience the best. Just go down. There we go. So it looks like. Let me show you the wheels. Let me show you the wheels. Show you the wheels. See, they're 19, 20. I don't know, it's 20 inch or
That's a 20 inch.
Yeah.
It's a 21 inch.
21 and 21 spot.
Aerosport.
I'll show you this. Aerosport. Yeah.
And these are the colors of the car. Whatever your specification you want,
Yeah,
is
yes.
custom made for you.
Yeah. See? My people love cars. Also, let me show you this. A beautiful experience, guys. See? That's 96,000 Canadian dollars. See the engine? They're saying this is what? Electric drive. See? Very nice, very nice. See? This is the beautiful place, guys, in Toronto. Yeah.
Peace out, man. Peace out. This is a place to be. This is a place to be.
Place to be.
Peace out.
Yeah. Don't forget to hit the subscription button.
Hit that button. Hit that button. Don't forget.
Yeah.
Hit that button.
Let's grow together, guys.
All right.
Salute.
Salute.
They got the Starbucks here. Let me show you the Starbucks. That's the Starbucks. Starbucks. Any drinks you want, guys. Coffee. I think it's coffee, yeah. Coffee, the lemonades, all sorts.
It's there. Coffee, whatever, everything you want.
Everything you want. Just come. Oh, let me show you the price. Let me show you the price, then we see how it goes. Excuse me. So, alright, we go. So we got the Yorkdale station here. Yorkdale station.